welcome to Made by J&D. When I go places overseas, go for a visit on a holiday somewhere, I like to get a fridge magnet. You know, you just like to put them on your fridge, don't you? I recently went to the Isle of Man TT. That was a good trip. Really enjoyed that. I went with some friends who are flag marshals, and you know, they wear the orange suits and wave flags, and you get right up close and personal to the action. Really a good trip. I really had a good time there. I was at the, I can't remember the corner I was at, but man, those bikes are coming straight at you at 150 miles an hour, and they're slowing down to about 20 to make this hairpin turn. Anyways, as a result of that, get a little, among other things, you get these little tokens. So that was, I think I might make that into a fridge magnet. The way I do that is there's a stud on the back. You got to take that off. You take a magnet, something you might get in the mail or something from a grocery store. This is from a real estate agent. And super glue, and you just put a magnet on the back of it. So here's how I do that. Cut the little stud off. I happen to have a little tool here for this. One thing, you can't overheat it because you might burn that paint that's there. The other thing is this stone, it's not made for brass. It clogs up, so I've got to use something different. This is just a nice cutting tool. It should not have a problem with that brass. I got rid of all the high points. Makes a nice flat surface. Take your handy little fridge magnet, or your whatever you got from before. For me, I like to make the magnet a little bit smaller than the piece I'm putting it on, so it doesn't show when you got it on the refrigerator. Just left a little bit of a gap around the edges so it won't show. And then your super glue. In this case I'm using Gorilla, but it can be any super glue. Didn't have to be much of this either. This is a gel rather than a liquid, so it doesn't run everywhere. And then just put a weight on it until that glue goes off. In case I'm going to use my mallet. And give it a few minutes. That'll be a done deal.